How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I got to make a video about JAGX. I'm seeing a lot of people talking about it. I'm going to show you guys what I see and just keep it real with you. I'm not going to pump this thing because honestly, I see better opportunities, and I know why a lot of people are trying to pump this, but we'll get right into this video. So, if you guys know the strategy, this is the band strategy. If you look at it, we have the top band, which is your average true range of 4, and when stocks hit that, they tend to sell off. When stocks hit my bottom band, they tend to be in a good buying opportunity. It doesn't mean you just get in right away, but it's just a nice probability. The three middle bands are my exponential moving average. I have the 5, 10, and 20. The 5 is the purple, 10 is the yellow, and the 20 is the blue. So, if you guys want my complete system, I do have a Discord below you can join. But let me get right into the video. As you can see, that I'm going to match you guys exactly what I see here. Like I said, the top band tends to be a sell-off, and I definitely short stocks. And if there's shares available, I take this all the way down to at least the EMA 5. As you can see, that was a nice game from $15 area all the way back down to $8. So, I mean, I understand. The problem I see with JAGX right now, yes, we went down, it had a big sell-off. It was like a high of $21, and now it's at like $4, and people are like, yes, this is a good buy. Let's pump it up now, because it was just at $21. The price is starting to go up. I've seen this so many times. And they're like, well, there's catalyst coming, something big's going to happen, and it just plummets right in their face, right? So let me show you the good, the bad, the ugly, right? So last time we hit the EMA 20, which is this light blue band, was on this candle on May 17th. The current data is 621. So we do have some time distance to hit the EMA 20, which is nice. That is nice. May 17 to 621, that's a little over a month. Anything that don't touch your EMA 20 in 2 months time frame is very long, so you can have a conservative target into the $5 range. It's at 5.18, price is at 4, so it's you know, you got like a buck there if it hits it right away. You got to realize it's going to fluctuate. So that's that. As you can see, we have this nice little curl we're having. So you have price going down right in here. So you price go down, and then we kind of stabilize here, and then we're kind of getting a little nice little curl right here. So could be bullish, but let me show you the facts and what I see with this chart. Besides, I don't care about upcoming catalyst news because we all know that is straight gambling. I am not going to trade base JAGX because there's a catalyst coming, and it could be good or bad. Flip a coin, and you're either broke or you make money. No. We trade based on what the system tells us. We trade based on probabilities. We don't trade based on a catalyst, and that's what I keep telling people. They're like, well, JAGX is, has this coming out, and yeah, we saw what JAGX does. I mean, look at this. This is a nasty thing, and you have these little pumps and dumps here. It pumps here. Same scenario. Pumped right in here, and it's dumped again. No, I'm going to stick to what works. So right here, we hit the EMA 10. What does price do? I tell everyone, the first couple touches, it sells off. Right here, it can't sustain, and it sells off, goes back down below the EMA 5, tries to recover, and it's just, it can't sustain. We have long, low upper wicks at the EMA 10, and it keeps coming down. I suspect we do go down from here. Are we going to get below 3.20? Who's to say? Short term, I don't know. I don't suspect it. I do think, but we will kind of like consolidate a little more. But I definitely want to take, if any entry I take, it has to be below the EMA 5. And I would probably wait for a little more time distance from the EMA 20. That way I have that nice conservative target. So, yeah, that's my thing. And like I said, there's two ways to play the coin, right? If it pumps up a lot, you can start shorting this thing when it's way above here at the upper band, and then you keep taking to that 5, 10, and 20, as price always does that. I love the EMA 5 as it's very conservative. We did have a May 23rd, 2024, we had a split of 1 for 60, and we really haven't had any, like, pump. Like, usually on reverse splits, you will have a pump, so that's your pros. I've seen it happen a lot, but the problem is we don't really know exactly when. So oftentimes price does go down a lot, and let's say you buy it at 392 and it drops down to like 290, and then it pumps to 392. It's like, then you miss out, right? Because it will pump, but you got to make sure you have your entry right. And like I said, it happens all the time. Look at how algos do this. Hits my EMA 5 to a T, and then it goes back down. That's where you would take your gain right in here. Right in here, it was so far under the EMA 5, there was massive upside, and then yeah, you would have a nice gain from 360s all the way to 520. And as you can see right in here, look at this. Look at the time distance. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Magic number 7. I love that. Like, if you guys ever see 7 daily candles under the EMA 5, you usually get your first upside correction to the upside. Almost like 9 times out of 10, I see like this big bounce here. And look at this. You got the hammer candle and then bounces up. And then we restart time distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it goes up. So we're going to keep magneting towards the EMA 5. But now we're kind of curling up. We're like above the EMA 5, and we're trying to get to this EMA 20 here. I think we will touch it, but it's hard to say. In my opinion, I say we touch it in like 2 weeks, but the EMA 10, EMA 20 might be like right in this area. So is it really worth it, right? So yeah, don't believe what pumpers say, guys. A lot of them are just trying to like pump things for no reason, and they're like, well, this catalyst is this, and you can blow your whole account, and there's no price targets for any of them. My price target for this stock is definitely EMA 20, because you will get a rejection most likely. But if you want to shoot for the stars, yes, you can go to the upper band at the $8 region. Yeah, it could absolutely do that, but why be greedy? Take what you have, take the gains. There's always another play. I'm just going back to the history of this. Yeah, this thing has just been getting wrecked. So, biotechs are really hard. A lot of them, they can plummet at any time. We've seen a lot of the biotechs just like pre-market or after hours just dump because of some drug failed and all that. So you got to be, these are the most extremely risky plays. So do keep that in mind. So that's my system. JAGX, is it one of my best plays in my Discord? Absolutely not. I see so many other plays that can make so much more higher returns with bigger upsides. So I cannot really recommend it. If you are in it, like I said, EMA 20 is your target. You want to get entries under the EMA 5. My A+ setups are obviously at the lower band here for a buy signal, but this is strictly the EMA system that I'm playing this, obviously. But and here's another thing too. We're seeing a very high K value. Look at the K value of 60. When I hover over this, 62.70. So we could definitely get some correction right in here. When we were pumping, look at this K value. Look how much a difference. If I hover over this candle here, we had a K of 4.31. And guess what happens, guys? And then the next candle was 4.69. We pump all the way up to $5.20. The K value matters a lot. It's a stochastic oscillator. I'm probably the only one that probably uses it, but I really love it. So hope to see you guys. I hope you guys do well in this play. As always, if you want to join my premium Discord, understand my system of win over 95% of your trades and know how to not get greedy. Take the profits when you see them, know when to enter, know when to exit, and do exactly how the system tells you. Because if anyone tries to pump JAGX, you can be like, this is what the system tells me. I don't give a rip. This is my targets here. I don't think we're going to go way up into the $14 range or $10 range. And, that's just nuts. You guys are, hoping on a miracle on this that make it have the best catalyst ever. So you don't want to trade based on hope. Trade based on what you see on the chart, and that's all you need. So hope you guys join the premium Discord. Do keep in mind, it's one of the best. You're going to get my alerts, education, everything, my mentorship, and all that for a very low cost. If you click the link down below, there's a YouTube comment that I pinned to join my Discord. All you have to do is go to the server shop, choose what's right for you. I have swing trading and day trade, swing and day and swing trading. The day and swing trading plus, it gives you the most value for $12 a month, and you're going to get all my education, unlock all my channels. But you can even get my journal, be like, oh, you don't win 95% of your trades. Well, you can access my journal, see my stocks, see my win ratio, see the percentages I'm making, and know that, yes, I'm not here to make anyone a millionaire. I'm here to be like, if you have $100, how do you consistently grow it instead of just putting it on an option play and hope for the best? You want to make sure you're consistently in the game, because most traders lose. Over 90% of traders lose. That's a fact. That's a given, because everybody plays it like they play really risky. They're gambling. They have no system. They have no exit plan, and they treat this like a casino. We want to treat this like the house, where we know the percentages of, we don't take a play just because everyone else is pumping it. We trade it based on what we see on the chart, and that's it. So yeah, join the premium Discord. $12 a month for the Day and Swing Trading Plus, or if you just want the regular membership, it is $5.99 for the Swing Trading Plus. All you have to do is go on your computer, hit over the server shop here, and do keep in mind, if you do it on your computer, it is cheaper than compared to your iOS or on your phone, because they charge iOS fees. So it is best if you do it on a computer. Hope to see you guys in the next video. That is my JAGX analysis, keeping it real, keeping you guys, not shooting for the moon, right? Because look at these nice gains it can give you. So take the profit when you see it. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Peace out. Love you all. And let's make some money.